How to fix NordVPN app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix NordVPN app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. So the first thing that you might want to keep in mind is that you should use the latest version of the apps. So for that, head over to App Store and search for NordVPN. After you search for it, you should see NordVPN right here. Open that up. And if you see an update button available there, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated your app, if you were facing some issues that might get fixed due to bugs, fixes, and improvements, so you can come back and try to use the app again. If it still does not work, you might want to clear out the cache. Go to your settings, go to general, and go to iPhone storage. Right here, you will need to search for NordVPN. So search for NordVPN and offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app. After that, reinstall the app, and after you reinstall the app, your problem should get fixed. If it's still not working, then there might be a network issue. Now, you must know that VPN uses your internet connection or your cellular data. So for that, you must check and have a stable internet connection. For that, you can connect to a more stable Wi-Fi or simply use your mobile data. And that should fix all your issues with NordVPN. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.